Welcome to GQUAT Traditions and Two Friends in the Garden. So we went out early in the morning and picked more dandelions. Then we watered the herbs. There's a garlic growing out there as well. Came back inside and had lunch. Red beans and rice. We had tostones, we had a nice salad, and cornbread. Who cooked what? Leave a message in the chat and let us know who you think cooked what. All right, thanks for watching Garden, Quilt, and Art Traditions. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. We had a wonderful day. You need to spend time in the garden and having lunch with your friends. Thanks for watching.